Hi everybody, Paul here with PTZOptics, and if you are part of an athletics department today, you know the challenges in sports video. There are more games, more sports, and more fields to cover than ever before. But setting up video equipment for every game, dragging around cameras, cables, and gear from one field to another every single day, it's exhausting, expensive, and honestly, it's holding your program back. The old way of doing sports video doesn't scale. You need a smarter solution, one that's built for the size and speed of today's athletics programs. That's where PTZOptics and Hive come in. With permanently installed robotic PTZ cameras set up across your athletic venues, your video production doesn't need to move anymore, but your program can move forward with ease. PTZOptics Hive connects all of your cameras across all of your spaces into one simple cloud-based platform. Your team can remotely control every camera on every field, every gym, just from a single interface. There will be no more moving around equipment, missing games, and no more chaos in the midst of a program that needs to continually add live streaming, video production, and sideline instant replay to the sports that you support. Hive makes it very easy to share access with members of your team. You can manage all of your team members, giving them access to a central dashboard that has all of your sports teams connected, giving you the right level of control to manage student volunteers, your coaching staff, and even your video production team. You can even hire students to help with camera operation remotely, and they can just use the keyboard and mouse on their computer or a simple USB connected Xbox controller, which is perfect for student workers and volunteers. All you have to do is click the share button, manage their access, type in their email address, and click enter. And Hive unlocks even more possibilities so that your sports production can grow. You can have someone with access to your Huddle video system to remotely manage uploading the video files after every game, streamlining your entire post-game workflow. Plus, with remote recording built into the system, you can record each game's video files, each game, live stream events, and manage everything right from your athletics department office without having to run around from game to game. Whether it's a championship football game, a soccer scrimmage, or a volleyball match, Hive lets you cover it all easily, remotely, and reliably. I talk a lot about this in my sports video system, which you can download for free, the sports video book here, and there's a whole online course that will help your team get up to speed. And with systems like SkyCoach for sideline instant replay, which we've shown in multiple videos and I explain in the book, you can feed those same camera angles to coaches and referees, giving your team the competitive edge they deserve, all without extra setup or extra staffing. The future of sports video isn't about moving faster and buying more equipment that you drag around. It's about working smarter. With PTZOptics Hive, your athletics department can centralize, streamline, and elevate every sport, every season, all from one powerful platform. Are you ready to take your program to the next level? Let's get started today by reaching out to the PTZOptics team. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. You can sign up for a free access to Hive today. We give Hive access for free for one camera to everyone in the world. So get started, give it a try, and let us know what you think.